morning, babes. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is super duper early, but I just wanted to share something fun with you guys. I am going to be using today the Lancome Teint Idole foundation and primer. I'm really excited because it's been a little while since I've used this foundation. I did used to work for Lancome a long time ago, and I had loved it back then, like a couple of years ago. And now I'm actually going back to my Lancome foundation. I am collaborating with Octoly. They did send these products to me for free, so thank you very much, Octoly. Thank you very much, Lancome. I'm so excited. It's so funny how like everything goes full circle. Like you work for the brand, now you're getting products sent from the brand. It's really cool. So the color that I did pick up was 420 Bisque Neutral. I am a neutral undertone. However, I think this is a little bit light for me. So when I picked it online, I think this is what I used to wear back in the day, which was probably the wrong shade. But I think at this point, I'm most likely a 450. If you guys are going out and looking to test this out, definitely look in that range from 420 to 450-ish. And then I did get the Prep and Hydrate Illuminating Makeup Primer. So I love anything that's illuminating. I'm really excited to try this one out. It's 24-hour hydration. To correct my little color issue, I do use one pump of this NARS Longwear Radiant foundation. So I'll do 2 pumps of this and then 1 pump of this, and then I'm good to go, and it matches and everything. So that was my issue. That was my fault because I picked the wrong color, but you guys won't have that issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so as I'm applying this, I just wanted to share how amazing coverage you get with this foundation. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, look at the glow. Like, I do have a couple of lights on me right now, but look at the glow just from the foundation alone. It's ridiculous. So I'm obsessed with this. I love that it's such a long wearing foundation. It is a 24-hour color wear and comfort. It's transfer resistant. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't want to have my makeup on for 24 hours, but I mean, like, if I can go to bed and wake up just beat like this, yes girl. I'm excited. This also has SPF 15 in it, so that's cool. Blend this out. I like to blend my foundation out. I like to blend my foundation into my skin for like a good 3 to 4 minutes. I know some people like to slap it on, but for me, I find like when I do this, it's not cakey. It really gets into the skin and it really looks super natural. That's the way that I want my foundation to look. I don't want it to look heavy. I don't want you to see it. I want it to literally melt into my skin and just look flawless. It's amazing. I mean, I didn't have a lot to cover up in any case because, you guys, I've been using a Pretty Bomb skincare routine, which I will share with you guys. But my skin has never been more flawless than it is right now. Fingers crossed, don't bad eye me. I'm really excited about it. I've waited a long time for my skin to get this way, so I'm super thankful. I will definitely share with you guys my routine in a little bit. But I'm just going to go into the Too Faced Warm Sand Concealer. And I'm just getting that all over. I'm also going to go into the KKW concealer, and this is in the color number 9. I just like to do this a little bit on top just because it's a little lighter and I get a brighter under eye. So I'm going to go ahead and use an EcoTool sponge, and I'm just going to blend this out. So one thing you want to do is when you are blending your concealer out, you want to keep it in this general area right here, because it is the place where you need the most coverage and is where it's gonna wake you up the absolute most, as opposed to this side, and it's opposed to like the outer side. Like, you could totally drag anything you have on the outer side and just kind of blend it out so it all looks seamless, but you want to focus right in this area to really cover up those dark circles. I'm gonna set with this Ben Nye Luxury Powder. So good. And again, make sure you set that inner corner really nicely. I like that this just adds like a really nice velvety feel over top of the concealer, and it adds a little bit of color, I feel like. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and do some eyes. I will do that off camera and I will be right back to share with you guys the finished results. So excited. Alright guys, so this is the finished result. I am obsessed. I love how my skin looks. It is literally flawless. I don't see any type of creasing. I don't see, of course I just applied it, so I will definitely give you guys an update when I get home. But I'm like obsessed. My skin looks velvety, smooth, and soft. And I'm obsessed. Like, this is awesome. And I love that this has that little extra SPF in it, because although I do put on SPF, it's always good to have like that extra bang in your foundation as well. So that's super cool. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love it. I love the way my skin looks. I will definitely give you guys an update when I get home later tonight. It is now 7:27. I don't know if you guys can see my clock, but it's 7:27. I did apply this about 7 o'clock, so it's been on my face for about 27 minutes. I'm gonna be home in 12 hours at 7 o'clock, so I will definitely give you guys an update on how this looks, and I'm so excited. Stay tuned, and the next clip you'll see is my update. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm checking in right now. It is 9:18 p.m. I didn't get to check in midday, but I just wanted to share with you guys how amazing my face still looks. I literally got so many compliments on my makeup today. It was crazy. But I do notice a little bit of oil in my forehead area, but that is nothing new. My forehead gets super oily, even though I said it, like I have to touch up during the day. I don't usually like to touch up, so other than that though, like everything is just literally flawless. I'm so excited. Here, let me come on this side. I don't know if this side is better for you guys to see. It just looks so good. I'm literally obsessed. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the link in my bio where you guys can get your own Lancome Teint Idole foundation. I just love Lancome in general and their shade range. Like, there's literally like about 50 shades. It's very inclusive and it really does work. You can definitely manipulate this foundation if you have very dry skin, or if you have very oily skin. It's like a semi-matte finish, but of course, prep your skin with a mattifying primer, prep your skin with a hydrating primer, and you guys will get your perfect finish. I love it. Definitely stop in to any of your department stores. Nordstrom's my favorite, to get yourself a sample of it if you guys want to try it out and find your color before ordering it. But yes, this foundation, you guys, definitely has my stamp of approval. I really enjoy it. Let me get real close to my face. Let's focus this. Do you guys see that? Literally, it's not separating anywhere. But it's just the forehead that's just a little greasy. But if I just touch up my face with a little bit of powder, I can literally go to the club like this, and I'm hella excited. So I love this. This is definitely my day to night foundation if I really want to go to work in the morning and then maybe get a drink after work, or if I want to just party a little bit after work. I know that this foundation will definitely hold up, and it just gets better with time. So yay! Thank you Octoly and Lancome for sending me this foundation. I'm definitely a fan, definitely in love. I also really love the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. So if you guys have not tried that, definitely check it out. Love Lancome for so many different reasons. But yes, mascara and foundations, Lancome is perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I hope this has inspired you to either try out this foundation. If you guys were on the fence about getting it, I would for sure recommend it. It is a little bit pricey. It's not your drugstore foundation, but I think it'll last you quite a while because you need very little, maybe 1 pump, 1.5 pumps. Definitely try it out if you're looking to find something that is a little bit higher end and has a little bit more of a shade range. Lancome is definitely my go-to. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please share this video if you guys know anybody else that is on the fence about it or is looking for a new foundation that they can wear from literally in the morning at 7 a.m. to 9 o'clock at night and even later. Oh, before you go, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Instagram, or follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys there. Love you all so much, and I'll catch you guys in another one. See ya.